there's one problem here. It was not the external factors because of which you got late. You did not get late because of the lift getting stuck or the traffic being too worse or the cab not being able to catch up, blah 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 blah, or whatever reason that you give to yourself. The reason was because you were not committed about reaching there on time. Punctuality, one word that we all have heard of, and we all love to be. We all love to be punctual. We all love punctuality. But this is one thing that we all, somewhere in the subconscious mind, know that it is important, but we are not able to be punctual. We always, most of the times, end up not being punctual, end up not reaching at some place on time. The movie was supposed to start at 9. I reached there at maybe 9:30. The interview was supposed to start at 9. I was supposed to reach there by 8:30, but I reached there by 9:15. The client meeting was supposed to start at 10 o'clock in the morning. I was supposed to be there. I was expected to be there. I was to be there by 9:55 or 9:50, but I got stuck in traffic. The lift got stuck, and I was able to only reach not before 10:15. We all face this situation. We all face the situation of getting late, not being on time because of what we say as reasons that were out of our control, reasons that we could not have controlled. The traffic being so much, or the lift getting stuck, or you not finding the cab in time. So all of these were the things that you couldn't have controlled, right? And we give this as an excuse that this was the reason I was not able to be punctual. I had every intention to be punctual. I had every intention to be on time, but because of certain external factors, I could not be punctual. I could not be on time. Well, it could be because of those external factors that you got late, but there's one problem here. It was not the external factors because of which you got late. You did not get late because of the lift getting stuck or the traffic being too worse or the cab not being able to catch up, blah 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 blah, or whatever reason that you give to yourself. The reason was because you were not committed about reaching there on time. You were not committed. When you are punctual, your punctuality is not only about reaching at some place on time, but your punctuality shows your commitment to something. If you have a client meeting at 10, and if you reach there by 9:50, that is maybe 10 or 15 minutes early, it would nowhere show that you do not have anything to do and that is why you came early. It would show that you are so organized that you can reach early for a meeting. That meeting is so important for you that you made sure that to be on time, you are there before time. Well, we always say this. I remember when I was into a job, if you are before time, you are on time. If you are on time, you are late. And that is what holds true for everybody, each one of us. And let's say that I reached to a client's meeting on time, before time actually, 15 minutes early, but the client was 30 minutes late. Well, this gives me the message that the client is not committed to do business with me. I should get the message then and there that the client is not committed to do business with me. Even though he was late for whatever reasons that he could not have controlled, this surely shows that he was not committed. He did not give that importance. His priority list did not have him reaching in the meeting on time. That's how important punctuality is. It shows your commitment, your respect, how much you respect others, how much you respect others' time, how much you respect the value of others. Because when you respect others, when you respect the time of others, you can only do that when you respect yourself, when you respect your time. If you do not respect your time, if you do not have the value of time for yourself, you would never have it for your client. You would never have it for anybody else. Well, I myself, what I do is I make sure that whenever I have to go for a meeting, maybe for a meeting or for a social gathering or a party or wherever I have to go, I reach there 30 minutes early. And that is not because I do not have anything to do on my calendar, but that is because I am committed to be there before time, so that there are a lot of benefits of being before time to a party or being before time to a meeting, because then you get to meet the host personally. You get to create a bond with the client or with the host of the party. A different level of bonding happens at that time, because most of the other guests are going to arrive late, and when you reach 30 minutes early, you get the time to connect with the client, your business partner, your prospective customer, whoever it is. You get the time to connect with that person one to one. When two people talk one to one, there is a different level of connection getting established. This is one of the biggest benefits of being before time. Your commitments, your values, it reflects your values, and it does a lot of other things. Your ethics, how you have been grown, how have you born, what did your family, your teachers teach you. You being on time and you not being on time reflects that. Make sure that you take care of this small discipline of reaching wherever you have to reach before time, then reaching anywhere after the time that you were supposed to reach. Well, this also has one more impact. Let's say you were supposed to reach office by 10, and you have already made all the arrangements to make sure that you would reach your office by 9:45 or 50. How relaxed and how calm you are all through the way. Let's say it takes you 45 minutes to drive to the office. You are relaxed and calm for the entire 45 minutes, because you know that even if there is a little bit of traffic or some little bit of problems on the way, you will still make it on time because you have left early. So you have the entire 45 minutes with yourself, for yourself, to think and to plan and to do a lot of things. But if you are late, the entire 45 minutes you are going to waste on thinking about reaching there on time. Nothing else is going to come in your mind. So the entire 45 minutes is wasted. The client or the customer or the host that you were supposed to meet once you reached now has a bad impression about you, knows that you are not committed about your time, knows that you do not value him. You definitely cannot afford to take so much of risks just for the sake of not leaving a little early, not trying to reach a little early. That is all that you need to do. You just need to leave a little early. You need to get up a little early. You need to get up and get ready a little faster. A little, not a lot, but a little. These little things will change a lot of things for you. This small discipline will change a lot of things for you. Are you ready to be on time? Are you ready to be punctual? Are you ready to be committed? If yes, then say me a yes in the comments below, and I would love to hear from you. Have a wonderful day from me, Savan Kumar. See you again the next day. Have a good day.